Technology brings back the fun of drawing and painting just like the traditional mediums. If you master core fundamental skills in art, like you did with traditional mediums, you can make great drawings right on your phone or tablet. Here are some drawings made with the Paintology app, using just 1 or 2 brushes. No need to use hundreds of tools. This drawing of the dog was made using 1 brush on my phone. You can get this app from the Google Play Store. From the Google Play Store, locate the Paintology app and download the app to your phone or tablet. Once the app is installed, you can then go to the tutorials section to find many fun tutorials for you to try. These tutorials have been specially designed so that you can develop the core skills in art. They have been organized into specific categories such as pencil drawing, paint by numbers, trace drawing and more. As you advance through these tutorials, you will pick up the core skills that are essential to becoming a good artist. Take your pick of any tutorial, and then click on it, and the drawing template will open up on your canvas. If the tutorials come with a video, you should see a toggle button, like shown. You switch between the video and your drawing canvas by pressing the button. This allows you to follow along to the video tutorial. In this drawing we have the template of the trace drawing that we are going to draw and color on our own drawing canvas. We can see the full trace drawing and our canvas by using the slider button as shown. In this way, we can pick out the colors of the underlying trace image, and apply it to our own drawing. We adjust the brush size and pinch zoom to get close to the details. This drawing is fairly easy for you to do as it is not too detailed. Try any of the 600 tutorials provided, to pick up skills in drawing and painting that you thought you never had. Don't worry if you don't get it right away, just keep practicing. With over 600 tutorials to choose from, you will be developing your confidence in drawing and painting in no time at all.